Hi, my name is Mrs. Peppers, and I'm the instructional coach at Wake Early College of Health and Sciences. That means typically I work primarily with teachers, although when we do have face-to-face instruction, I am in the classrooms a lot. As a matter of introduction, I'm also the Key Club advisor here at WECHS. Today, what I'm going to be doing is walking you through technology and the various platforms that we use and the ways to connect to those platforms so that you can be in touch with your teachers and you can view course materials and stay on top of all of the things that as a WECS student you'll be expected to do. First off, congratulations for getting accepted here at WECS. It's an amazing school and you'll have an incredible journey. Staff members here support their students, think the world of them, and will do anything we can to help you be successful, so don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions or concerns. So today, the video I'm recording right now will have a nice little hyperlink right here. If you feel like launching the video and hitting pause as you explore or log in or connect, just pause and you can come back and I can step you through it. Additionally, if you have any challenges, I will have several sets of office hours available during the first week of school to assist with technology. You can use this link to connect to those. My email is lpeppers2@WCPSS, and you can also connect with me in that way. Today, we're going to explore our school's website and make sure that you can log into Outlook to check your email, get enrolled in Google Classrooms, participate in Google Meets, check your schedule and grades via PowerSchool, and stay connected with teachers via Remind, and as well as clubs. And if you are on social media, we have a number of accounts that you're welcome to join and monitor. Lastly, there is a survey. That survey will prove as your attendance for this session, so as well as a way to communicate any needs you may have coming out of it. So please complete the survey when you've completed this virtual session, and you'll be marked present. So first, the website. It's the landing page for WECS, and it has lots of great information. This is just a snapshot of the homepage. We're going to sample through a few of these tabs up top. Please know if you scroll down, you've got our calendar that has all of our key events, announcements, and our Twitter feed. Our school tab has a lot of community-facing information and just overall information, academics and programs. Our staff will take you to staff websites and email addresses. Student services will take you to your counselor. Career development has lots of great opportunities, some information about our Wake Tech partner, the early college model, and Pulse serves as homeroom, and that does have a co-curricular component where you'll be learning things in Pulse as well. We have a vibrant club culture as well as yearbook. When county athletics are in effect, you can participate with INLO, and we have a link to some of our annual events. The Students tab goes through the student handbook, as well as other topics facing towards students. Parents, we have a number of district links, as well as a link to online payment should you become involved in a club activity or extracurricular that has a cost associated with it. This would be the portal you'd go to for payment. So probably the most important place you can navigate to is the Our Staff page, and you can connect with administrators. Ms. Cummings is our principal, Ms. Wooten is our assistant principal. Student services, the counselors are Ms. LaChance, she's also the Dean of Students, and Mr. Muse. There's an alphabetical split. At the Perry Health Science campus, these are the teachers and their names hyperlinked to their websites, and their email addresses are also listed. As you become a junior, senior, and super senior, the North Campus links are there as well. So the first thing we're going to do is get you logged in to check your email. You're going to go to this portal entry site, select student, and enter your Wake ID. This is typically your lunch number. unless you've changed it. This is the piece of the orientation session that may have bumps. If you can't get into Wake ID, that is an issue, and you need to reach out to myself so that I can reset your password and we can work together to get you logged in. Once you're in Wake ID, the portal, Outlook is the email button that you will click open to check and monitor. There are step-by-step instructions also on the slide for you to help you with the logging in process in case it doesn't go as smoothly as we hope. But again, drop into the Google Meet sessions or send me an email, lpeppers2@wcpss.net, and I'll work with you to get you logged in. As a WECHS student, you're also a Wake Tech student, so you're going to have two different email accounts to monitor. We'll be handling the WECHS side here today. Ms. Graham is our Wake Tech liaison, and she will provide you with your Wake Tech login credentials. Google Classroom is also accessible through Rapid Identity, or the portal, as it's called. When you enter the portal, Google Classroom has this link here. As you launch it, you may choose to clean up and unenroll in any classes that are redundant. We're also going to share the links to current Google Classrooms. So if you launch the links tab and scroll down to PHS teachers, if you're taking math with Ms. BP, her classroom codes are listed here, or if she's listed as your homeroom teacher, this is her Google Classroom here. So you can go ahead and start enrolling in the classes and teachers that are on your schedule. You can hit pause on the video and spend a few moments taking care of that. Google Meet is how we'll be conducting synchronous learning sessions or office hours. Norms and expectations typically are muting your mic when you're not speaking. We love to see our students. If you're happy sharing your video, you're welcome to do that. However, if you're not comfortable sharing video, that's not a problem whatsoever, and you can mute that as well. Please show up on time and participate. Learning is a very active process, and we're doing our best to make sure everything is as interactive and as engaging as possible, and we can't wait to work with you. So here are just some sample Google Meet expectations on this slide. We do emphasize collaboration and collaborative group work. Here are some sample team norms and some skills we may be working on with you. This hyperlink at the bottom of the slide steps you through just a quick start if you're not that familiar with Google Meet. PowerSchool is where schedules are housed as well as grades, and it's a multi-step process for students to log in, but I'm giving you visuals and there's another help document. So again, if you want to log in and make sure you can see PowerSchool and everything looks okay, please feel free to pause this video as needed. So you're going to start at the portal again, and you're looking for this icon here called Home Base. And when you launch Home Base, you're going to look for the big P, right, for PowerSchool. And once you're in PowerSchool, you can see everything. If you hadn't logged in to the NC Ed Cloud already today, I already did, so it launched seamlessly. It's going to prompt you for your student ID to open up those applications on the NC Ed Cloud. There is also for this a one-page access document that you can use. If you have problems getting into the NC Ed Cloud, also you can hop onto a Google Meet during this first week for office hours with me, or send me an email and we'll try and get everything reset as quickly as possible so you can be online to monitor this information. The Remind application, if you're not familiar with Remind, this short little video gives you an overview of the tool. It's an app or a website interface that allows teachers to individuals to communicate with groups of people that have joined. There are a few remind codes listed here. They include one from Ms. Cummings for any urgent messages, counseling for your graduation cohort, career development for the incredible opportunities you have because we are a magnet school with a theme of health and sciences. And when we go back to face-to-face, there is a bus change remind. We do bus through Enloe High School, and those numbers of those buses sometimes change, and you need to get onto the right bus at the right time. So that's there so you can get signed up if you anticipate being a bus rider in the future. The page we took you to for Google Classrooms also contains remind codes, so you can join using those remind codes. WECHS does have a number of social media accounts: Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. These are the hyperlinks if you desire to follow us on social media. We do like to take pictures of you all when you're actively learning and share them with our community. So this concludes the information for the technology orientation session. I need you to complete this survey and let me know your contact information, and if you were able to get logged in or not. Gives a few experience questions and just one more survey on computer needs, just making sure you have everything you need to be successful. Thank you very much for your attention today. If you need a little bit more support to get logged in and to get going, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Again, I'll have Google Meet office hours and they will be showing up on this slide. Or you can email me. I'll be monitoring that throughout the day at lpeppers2@wcpss.net. I look forward to getting to know each of you and wish you a wonderful 2020-2021 school year. Welcome to WECHS.